welcome to Sammy English Adventures! Hello friends, do you know which country we are going to visit today? Look at this map! Can you see the blinking spot? That is our destination. I have 3 clues for you. Its capital is Wellington. This is its flag. And it's the home of the famous Kiwi bird. Let me think. Do you know which country it is? Can you guess? Yes, that's right. It's New Zealand. Amazing job, everyone. Are you ready to visit New Zealand? Let's go. Well, welcome to Hobbiton. Does this place look familiar? This is the magical village where the famous movie The Lord of the Rings was filmed. Look at these tiny houses built into the hills. Everything is so small and cute. Each house has a perfectly round door with bright colors. Oh, look over there. Can you see them? A few hobbits are out for a walk. Let's wave our hands and say hello to them. Hi there, friends. New Zealand still has a huge surprise waiting for us. Are you ready to leave the tiny houses and see some giant magical waterfalls? Let's head straight to the breathtaking Milford Sound. Let's go! Now, we are at Milford Sound. Look at those giant waterfalls cascading down from the high cliffs. It's one of the most beautiful places on earth. Today, we have a very special guest joining our boat trip. Everyone, please welcome our friend, the Kiwi bird. Come on up, little one. Don't be shy. Look at its very long beak and feathers that look and feel just like hair. Did you know Kiwis are very special? They cannot fly like other birds, but they are super fast runners on land. These amazing birds live only in New Zealand. Now, Mr. Kiwi, since you're relaxing on the boat with us, can you wiggle your beak and say hello to everyone? All this exploring makes me very hungry. Let's try a traditional Hangi meal. Look! Our Maori friends are getting everything ready for a big feast. They have fresh meat and lots of yummy vegetables in those baskets. You won't see an oven here because a hangi is cooked in a pit under the ground with hot stones. Look at all this yummy food. We have sweet potatoes, lamb, pork, and vegetables like carrots and pumpkin. It smells so delicious. A party for my tummy? Yummy! My tummy is full. Now let's play a fun game together. Are you ready? Let's go! To answer the upcoming questions, we're going to use the buttons right below this video. Each question will have 2 options, and each option is linked to a symbol on the screen. If you choose the option with the thumbs up, hit the like button. If you choose the option with the red icon, click subscribe. And if you see the bell icon, ring the notification bell to pick that answer. You have to be quick. You only have 5 seconds to press the button and lock in your choice. Are you ready? First question, which famous movie was filmed at Hobbiton Movie Set? was filmed? Now let's see if you remember our little bird friend. Question 2. What is special about the kiwi bird? Correct! Kiwis can't fly, but they are fast runners. Last question about our yummy food. Where is the hangi food cooked? Great job! The answer is B. Amazing! You found all the answers. I loved exploring New Zealand with you. New Zealand is beautiful, isn't it? Let's get ready for our next adventure. See you in the next adventure. Wow! What an amazing adventure! But our journey is not over. Do you want to know which country we will visit next? The clue is inside this magical chest. But it's locked. To open it, we need your help. You must do 3 magic steps. 1. Click the subscribe button. 2. Click the like button. 3. And click the bell button. Yay! You did it! Look! The clues are flying out. Can you guess the next country? If you've guessed it, then I'll see you on our next adventure. Goodbye for now. See you soon.